get your number, baby? I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get your...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I have another human hair half wig for you guys. So I recently did one from Nadula hair in the kinky curly texture. And that was the first human hair half wig that I have featured on my channel with no headband attached to it. And I told you guys in the pinned comment of that video that I was going to feature a kinky straight option as well with no headband attached. So yeah, so in that video, I did not utilize the no headband part of it and blend my hair and stuff. I just wore it like a headband wig. In today's video, I'm going to wear it like a headband wig and blend my hair. So before I get started on it, I prefer headband wigs because I have worn, you know, synthetic half wigs in the past, and the reason why I stay away from like blending my hair with them is because my natural hair is 4B4C, and it is not really easy to blend my hair with a lot of like loose wave textures and looser curly textures and stuff. So that's why I didn't really like half wigs like that. I still prefer the headband wigs, but I do recognize the half wigs offer more versatility, so you can blend your hair easily with it if it's your hair texture. So this is a kinky straight texture, which is going to be perfect for my kinky hair. So but it's gonna blend a lot better than it would with a looser texture. So I just have my natural hair in two like big braids. That's how I have my natural hair. And I have the front of it already gelled down with my She Is Bomb Edge Control here. I do have my wig supply essentials list that I'll link in the description box for you guys. I feature everything that's my essentials, and I have I actually have a video for you guys if you want to watch that and see everything that I consider to be my essentials for wig wearing. So today's video is brought to you by Nadula hair. You guys saw the unboxing of this wig. This is 24 inches and 150% density. This is my first time trying a headband wig or half wig that's human hair in this kinky straight texture. I have tried several kinky straight textures with lace wigs and stuff, and it's one of my favorite because it just looks so natural. But this month, first of all, y'all gonna be seeing me so much in November. I just made my list of all of my content for the month. It's gonna be insane. You're gonna see me so much. This wig is 24 inches and 150% density. And my cost for all this hair is $179.93. I think that's a really good steal for all of this hair here. All of this hair. And they do have inches from 12 inches all the way up to 28. And 12 inches is $62. So if you're somebody who doesn't want all this length like me, because I'm somebody who loves long hair, save some coins and get this same texture for $62 at 12 inches. And then the price goes up from there. So this is very affordable. And I have been featuring a lot more affordable headband options for you guys on my channel. But I have some higher end ones coming up too. So done that. It feels very comfortable. I actually feel like even though I prefer the human hair headband wigs, I feel like with the half wig that I've tried from Nadula hair that was curly and this one, I feel like because it doesn't have the headband attached to it, it is more comfortable. So if you have a bigger head, it just feels better. So I'm gonna put on my wig grip. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like, just straight up. So this is what the hair looks like just plopped on my head. I don't have a headband on. This is a 24 inches on me, and I'm 6 feet tall. That's how long it is. So just keep that in mind when you're choosing your length. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. Right up my alley. I'm just gonna do a light flat iron because I do like this texture.
Can I? Your number, baby. I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours? Your number, baby. I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours?
Alright guys, so I am back and I have this in a half up, half down style blended with my natural hair, and it was a bit difficult just because I don't blend my natural hair a lot of times with wigs or ponytails. That's why I stay away from ponytails if I can. Shout out to Kai. So a few weeks ago, she featured a kinky straight textured wig on her channel from a different company. And it was a headband wig, but she tucked it under and she wore it in a half up, half down style. And we have similar textures of hair. So her tutorial was very helpful with how to, you know, blend your ponytail and stuff. Especially with like tucking your natural hair around the base of the ponytail and bobby pinning it in the back. And this looks good. So shout out to Kai for her tutorial, because I definitely bust out my phone and watched it again. This is beautiful. This is like dream hair right here. I love kinky straight textures. I'm in love. So this is a lot of hair, so I'm not expecting people to get 24 inches, but I feel like I can pull off, you know, longer hair because I am so tall. Yeah, I do want to experiment and put some curl wine curls in here. I love the convenience of just slapping on a headband wig with the headband attached and everything and being on my way, but I love that it does have the versatility to blend your hair if you want to, or if you have the hair to do so. The con with the half wigs is if you don't have edges or you suffer from hair loss, it's going to be a bit more difficult to wear it. You can, because you can try the wig grip situation, but I feel like headband wigs are more inclusive than half wigs. I feel like the headband wigs are going to be for everybody, all skill levels. If you suffer from hair loss, if you have a ton of hair under your wig, you can wear a headband wig. But half wigs are going to be a bit more difficult to wear if you suffer from hair loss, in my opinion. So you have to weigh your options. That is why I have so many options on my channel, on my headband wig playlist. With a headband, without a headband, synthetic, human, everything's on there. So I'm giving you guys variety because everything is not going to work for everybody. You just have to choose what's going to work for you and decide from there. I love this. I think this is bomb. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. This is like so me. But I'm gonna try to see like how this holds a curl, because this is very much giving me It's My Ray Ray vibes right here. And this natural hair guru on Instagram, she had this clip-in video where she took these kinky straight textured clip-ins and she put them in and she wore it in a half up, half down style. She put curl wand curls in her half up, half down style, and I've been in love with it ever since. So I'm gonna see if I can do that with this hair. I am gonna use my Got To Be High Insta Hold hairspray. I'm just gonna put that on the hair while I do this.
Just thinking about you. Waste too much time with you on my mind. I just wanna call you.
Okay, so you guys see that wand curl here. I'm gonna go off camera and do most of the hair, and I'll probably come back when I start doing the top of it. Hopefully these curls hold, because this could be a very pretty style.
Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number? If you give me it, promise I won't bother. Let it take a rest till like I don't know yet. Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number? Ooh, can I? Can I? Can I? Can I?
Alright guys, so I'm back. I have put some wand curls in this kinky straight half wig from Nadula hair, and this is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I put wand curls in it, but it looked really pretty all straight too. So I have given you guys how you can wear it as a headband wig with a headband, And then I showed you guys how it looks in a low pony, a bun, in a half up, half down style blended with your hair. I did a synthetic half wig review last year around Christmas time, Sensational's Heartbreaker, and it was very pretty. Look, it looks similar to this. Obviously this one's gonna last a lot longer because it's human hair, and it won't tangle as bad when you're trying to put it in ponytails and stuff more than probably 3 times. So this is going to be a better investment, but if you want something budget friendly, check out Sensational's Heartbreaker. Very pretty, but this one here, like, I'm here for this. So here for this. Yeah, so it really boils down to what your hair is like. If you suffer from hair loss and stuff, go with a headband version of this Kinky straight texture because they're on the market. But if you're somebody who wants some versatility, you want to, you know, easily blend your hair with this wig, then go with something like this. You can blend your hair with a headband wig as well, because Kyra Sean, she did that. She just tucked her headband under and then she wore it just like this, but hers had a headband attached. So you can, if you already have a headband wig with it attached, but you know, want to blend it with your hair, you can do that. But this is going to be a little bit easier because that's one less step you have to do because it doesn't come with the headband to hide. The price is right on this. As you guys can see, this is a ton of hair. I've been working on this wig for the last like 2 hours doing all this stuff with it. So it's a lot of hair. So if this is too much for you, which it probably will be, go with something shorter. It's going to be less expensive. So this is already super affordable at this 24 inches. It's $179, as I told you guys. And then shorter lengths, starting at 12 inches, is only like $62, I believe that's what I said. Great investment. I think this is beautiful. If you guys are curious to see some Kinky straight textures with a headband attached, I have those coming for you this month. I have pretty much all textures coming this month. I have so many reviews coming up, so stay tuned. This is a great month to watch my channel because I'm gonna have some great options for you. Some synthetic lace wigs coming up. The Outrage just dropped. I have a few coming up. And I have a lot of human hair companies are getting lace again, so I have some human hair lace wigs as well. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I do uploads. And so you can join the premiere squad when I do premieres. I don't do them all the time, but I do them very frequently. So subscribe if you haven't already. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sending me this wig. It is bomb. And y'all let me know in the comments, like, should this be my Christmas picture hair or should I wear Outre Kamaya? I don't know. I'm leaning towards this just because I don't have to worry about my lace possibly looking crazy outside. So I think I might wear this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Talk to me in the comment section. Like this video. Share it with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.